Hello children, welcome back to my channel. Now I am dealing with 9th class maths, coordinate geometry, exercise 5.2. In that two problems I have already discussed. Now third problem, and in this third problem, which of the following points lie on the axis? Also name the axis. So the points they have given, you have to find out whether they lie on the axis. Axis in the sense either x-axis or y-axis. X-axis and y-axis formulae I have told. If you feel that or if there is a point on x-axis, the value will be given as some number and 0. Like for example, here you see, this is x-axis. Here if I want to name this point, I should name it as 1, 0. If I want to name this point, I should name it as 6, 0. That means 0 will be ordinate and the number will be abscissa. Suppose I have to name a point on y-axis. Then I will call this as 0, 3. So first abscissa will be 0, ordinate will be a number. Suppose I want to call this one. This is 7 on y-axis. So this point if you want to measure 0, 7 you will be saying. So in that way here the points are given to us. Now we need to find out which of the point lies on the axis. So when you say minus 5, 8, there is no 0 in abscissa or in ordinate. So this point definitely it will not lie on the axis. This one 0, 13. 0, 13 you see 0 is on as abscissa and 13 is ordinate, and definitely it will lie on the axis. But which axis it lies? It lies on y-axis because x coordinate, that is abscissa, is 0, y coordinate is 13. Next, when you talk about 4.4 comma minus 2, 4 comma minus 2, here there is no 0, so it does not lie on any axis. Minus 2 comma 0, so abscissa x coordinate has got a number, y coordinate is 0, so it lies on y coordinate, x coordinate. Here 0 comma minus 8, so x coordinate abscissa is 0, y coordinate is minus 8, so the point lies on y axis. Next 7 comma 0, x coordinate abscissa is 7, ordinate is 0, so it lies on x coordinate because x coordinate value is given, y coordinate is 0. Then 0 comma 0, see abscissa is 0, ordinate is also 0. That means this point can be taken on x-axis as well as it can be taken as a point on y-axis. So here answers I have written for this second problem, second point 0 comma 13, and this is a 0 comma minus 8. This is 0 comma minus 8 is a fifth point. 0 comma minus 8, they lie on y-axis. The equation for it is x is equal to 0. X coordinate is 0. Abscissa is 0. So they lie on the y-axis. And fourth bit, that is here, the fourth bit minus 2 comma 0, and sixth bit, this is 7 comma 0, they lie on x-axis because the equation is y is equal to 0, that is ordinate is 0. So it lies on x-axis. Y value is 0, so it lies on x-axis. Now 0 comma 0, it lies on both the axes because I told you ordinate is 0, abscissa is 0, x coordinate is 0, y coordinate is 0. So the point can be taken as a point on x-axis, or it can also be taken as a point on y-axis. Now fourth question, write the following based on the graph. So here you see children, they have given you the graph. So based on the graph, what you have to do, write the following based on the graph. First one he is asking ordinate of L. So where is L? The point L. See, here is point L. Ordinate they are asking. So actually what is this L point? L point is having -7 on x-axis and -7 on y-axis. So this I will write it as -7 comma -7. So this is abscissa, this is ordinate. So they are asking ordinate. So ordinate is -7. So I have written here, you see, ordinate of L is -7 and ordinate of Q. So let us see. This is point Q. So the ordered pair of this point Q is x value, it is 3 and y coordinate is 7. So ordinate they are asking, that is 7. So Q is 7. Then the point denoted by -2 comma -2. So where is -2 comma -2? See children, this point they have given. It is named as R. So what is the answer for it? R is the answer. So I have written here, you see, R. Next, the point denoted by 5 comma -4. So where is 5 comma -4? This is 5 comma -4. So what is the point you call? This is P. So this is what I have written here. Abscissa of N. Abscissa of N. See children, this is N. How do you represent it? We represent it as 4 comma 0. Abscissa means x coordinate. So that is 4. Abscissa of M. This is point M. So what are the ordered pair here? What is the ordered pair here? X coordinate -3, y coordinate 7. So we write it as -3 comma 7. So what is that he is asking? Abscissa. Abscissa x coordinate, that is -3. That is what I have written it here children. Next, fifth question. State true or false. You have to talk about it whether it is true or false. So first one, and also see what he has given. Correct the statement, write a correct statement. That means if it is false, you have to write the correct statement. So first bit is, in the Cartesian plane, the horizontal line is called y-axis. See children, Cartesian plane means this. So in this horizontal, this is horizontal line and this is called vertical line. So what is this horizontal line? It is x-axis but not y-axis. Here they have given that in Cartesian plane, horizontal line is called y-axis. So it is a false statement. What is the correct statement? The horizontal line is x-axis. Next, in the Cartesian plane, the vertical line is called y-axis. Of course, see, this is vertical line. This is called y-axis. So it is a true statement. Next, the point which lies on both the axes is called origin. So the point earlier in this problem we have discussed. Here we have discussed 0 comma 0 lie on both the axes. This point we call, this is 0 comma 0. It lies on x-axis as well as on y-axis, and this is called origin. This point name is origin. So it is a true statement. Next, the point 2 comma -3 lie on the third quadrant. See children, quadrants when you talk about first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. So here the point 2 comma -3, actually where does it lies? Let us see. This is 2 and -3 is here. Actually this should be the point. So which quadrant it is? This is first, second, third, fourth quadrant. So it is third quadrant they said. So it is a false statement. So what is the correct statement? Correct statement is this point 2 comma -3 lie in the fourth quadrant. Then -5 comma -8 lie in the fourth quadrant. -5 comma -8. Let us see here. -5 is here and this when you go, -8 is here. Which quadrant it is? Quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3. It lies in third quadrant. But here what they have given? It lies in fourth quadrant. It is a false statement. Correct statement is it lies in the third quadrant. Next, the point x minus x minus y lies in the first quadrant where x is less than 0, y is less than 0. See, first quadrant means here. This is first quadrant. In first quadrant, see, x is less than 0 means negative values, but all here is positive values. Y is less than 0 should be negative values, but all are positive values. So here you are getting quadrant 1 positive and positive, but here he has told minus x minus y lies on the first quadrant. It is false. Correct statement, minus x minus y lies in the fourth quadrant. See children, here this is first, second, third. Sorry, minus x and minus y. X is minus, y is minus. It lies in the not fourth quadrant, children. This is wrong. It lies in the third quadrant. Third quadrant where x is less than 0, y is less than 0. Here x value is negative, y value is negative. So it lies in the third quadrant, not in the first quadrant. So false, the correct statement is minus x minus y lie in the third quadrant. So you write down this, children. These are all the answers for these problems. I have explained everything. So please note it down. Now children, sixth problem. Plot the following ordered pairs on the graph sheet. What do you observe? So first one, minus 1, 1 comma 0. See children, this is the point which we will write 1 comma 0. 3 comma 0. See, this is the point. 3 comma 0. Minus 2 comma 0. Minus 2 comma 0. And minus 5 comma 0. So this is like minus 5 comma 0 is the point. 0 comma 0. 0 comma 0 is this point. 0 comma 0. Then 5 comma 0. This is 5 comma 0. Minus 6 comma 0. Minus 6 comma 0. So these all are the points that I have got here. So what do you observe? They said first point, all the points lie on x-axis because all of these are having y values, y coordinates, ordinate value as 0. Next, 0 comma 1. So 0 to 1. This is the point. Then 0 comma 3. 0 to 3. This is 0 comma 3. Then 0 comma minus 2. This is 0. This is minus 2. So 0 comma minus 2. And then 0 comma minus 5. 0 comma minus 5. This is the point. 0 comma minus 5. 0 comma 0 comma 0. So this is the point. 0 comma 0. 0 comma 5. 0 comma 5 here. This is the point. And 0 comma minus 6. 0 to minus 6. This is the point. 0 comma minus 6. So when you see here, all the x coordinates are zeros and y coordinates are having values. So since x coordinate, that is abscissa is 0, these all the points lie on y coordinate. So y axis. So they all lie on y axis. So all the points lie on y axis. This is sixth problem. Children, the remaining problems also, that is example 7 and do this example 8. 3 more sums I have done in the same graph. So what I did is I have given different colors for this. When I am plotting the points, you will understand based upon the color that I have taken. Example 7, I have given green color. So here where are the green color points and green color writing is there. That is the solution for this problem, children. Plot the following points in the Cartesian plane. I have to keep these points in the Cartesian plane, that is on x-axis and on y-axis. And m is -2, 4. So -2 is here and 4 is here. So this is the point. So I wrote here m and the ordered pair -2, 4. I have written here example 7, children. This is example 7 answer. Next, a is -5, -3. -5 is here, -3 is here. So -5, I have to bring it to -3. So this is the point which is called the A. -5, -3 is the answer. Next, n. n is 1, -6. This is 1 minus 6. So I have written here, children, 1, same point, because this point earlier also I have got 0, -6. Now means here it is 0, -6, but since I have written here, I have no place to write this. So I have kept an arrow, children. Please don't be confused. This is the point. This point is 1, -6. This is n. So this is example 7. Now do this. Plot the following points in the Cartesian plane. I have written it in blue ink. First one, B -2, 3. See, this is -2, 3. 3 means positive side. So this is B, -2, 3. So do this, I have written here, -2, 3. Then L 5, -8. 5, -8. -8 is here. This is a 5, -8. L. Do this sum, 5, -8. I have represented here. Then third one, U 6, 4. 6, 4. So 6 and 4 here. U. This is do this sum, 6, 4. I have written here. Next, E -3, -3. So -3 here and -3. This is the point. E -3, -3. Do this sum, children. So I hope I am clear to you. Next, example 8. Example 8. Plot the points T 4, -2 and V -2, 4 on a Cartesian plane, whether these two coordinates locate the same point. This is the question. I have written in red ink. So here also in red color you can see the points. So the first one is T 4, -2. So this is a 4 and -2 is here. This is point T 4, -2. Example 8 answer, children, it is. Next, V. V is -2, 4. So this is -2, this is 4. Actually -2, 4 was there, the same point in example 7. So I can't keep this point another color, but this I have written here, you see. Example 8. V value -2, 4. So this is the point, -2, 4. Now the question is what? The question is whether these two coordinates locate the same plane, same point. See, the main thing here is they just wanted to confuse you. So 4 is there here, here also 4 is there. -2 is there here, here also -2 is there. So since these two are having the same numbers, they are confusing you to say whether they lie on the same value, same point. But the thing is, we have to be very concentratedly look about the points. Here, the four number is given as an abscissa, x coordinate. But the same 4 is given here as ordinate, y coordinate. So, these two are not same. -2 is given as an ordinate in T, but the same -2 is given as an abscissa in V. So definitely these are not same, they don't locate on the same point. So even if they don't give you graph, just they ask you whether they lie on the same point or not. Don't just see both of them are having 4 and both of them are having -2. So they lie on the same axis, because the point here is the very important point which you should understand is about abscissa and ordinate, x coordinate and y coordinate. If they are same, both of them are having same x coordinate, both of them are having same y coordinate, then we can say those 2 points lie on the same point. But they are different. So definitely they are not on the same point or same quadrant. They don't lie. See, T lies in quadrant 4. This is quadrant 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. In quadrant 4, T lies, and V lies in quadrant 2. 1, 2, second quadrant. So definitely they are not lying on the same plane. Children, please note it down. Now, example 9, children. Plot the point A 2, 2, B 6, 2, C 8, 5 and D 4, 5 in a graph sheet. Join all the points to make it a parallelogram. Find its area. So you have to plot this A 2, 2. So see here, children. This is A 2, 2 is the point A here, and B 6, 2. So this is 6 and this is 2. 6, 2, and C 8, 5. 8 and 5. This is C 8, 5. D 4, 5. 4 and 5. So when I join all these points, I have got a figure. This we call it as a parallelogram. So if it is a parallelogram, they are asking to find the area. Area of the parallelogram is what? Base into height. So what is base? Base is this. How much is this? See, children, this is 1. This square is 1, 2, 3, 4. So base B is equal to 4 units. And height I should draw this. This is height. So how much? 1, 2, 3 units is height. So see, children, area of a parallelogram is base into height. Base is 4 units, height is 3 units. So area of ABCD is 4 into 3, 12 square units is the answer for this problem, children. This is example 9. Now do these sums. See the first one. Write the coordinate of the points A, B, C, D, E. See, A, B, C, D, E. Their coordinates you need to write. So what is coordinate of A, C? A is 2, 9. And B coordinate, this is B. This is from here, this is 5 and this is 9. 5, 9. C. So this is C. From here it is 2 and 6. 2, 6. D. D. It is 5 and 3. 5, 3. E. E is this point. 2, 3. These are the answers for the first bit, children. Now, second bit, coordinates of E, F, G, H, I, J. So, sorry, F, G, H, I, J. F. See, children, this is the figure. Coordinate of F. It is -6, -2. So I have written here is -6, -2. Then G. This is G. So first you have to see X value. -4, -3. -5. -4, -5. H. This is H. So -3, -7. And I is here. I is, this is -9, -7. Then J, this is J, -8, -5. 5. So these are the uh, ordered pairs. These all problems will deal with how to identify ordered pair or how to write the coordinates of a point. That's very important to locate a point in the Cartesian plane. So with this, I am concluding my topic today, children. In the next class, I will be doing the next part.